after a decline in coronavirus cases, now the process of unlocking has begun in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is being unlocked in a total of 5 levels, and exemptions are being given only on the basis of positivity rate and oxygen beds in each district.
After more than 2 months of restrictions to control the deadly second wave of coronavirus in Maharashtra, now the careful unlocking process begins. The state government issued new orders on Friday night spelling out how the state will be divided into 5 different levels. Cities or districts where the positivity rate is less than 5% and where less than 25% oxygen beds are being used are at the first level. This is a total of 10 districts including Nagpur, Ahmednagar, Chandrapur and Jalna. Where the positivity rate is less than 5% but oxygen beds being used are between 25 and 40% is the second level. This includes Hingoli and Nandurbar districts. Those cities and districts are at the third level where the positivity rate is between 5 to 10% and more than 40% oxygen beds are being used. This includes a total of 15 districts including Mumbai, Thane, Nashik, Palghar and Aurangabad. Those cities are at the fourth level where the positivity rate is between 10 to 20% and more than 60% oxygen beds are being used. It comprises a total of 8 districts like Pune, Sindhudurg, Kolhapur and Raigad. After that comes the fifth level, but no districts are currently at that level.
अलग-अलग कैटेगरी में अलग-अलग तरह की परमिशंस हैं, लेकिन जो 5 कैटेगरी है, 4 कैटेगरी है, वो ज़्यादा 10% से 20% के बीच वाले पॉजिटिविटी वाले जिले हैं. वहाँ निर्बंध कड़ाई से लागू रहेंगे, लेकिन ये सारे अधिकार जो हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट हैं और जो महानगर पालिका क्षेत्र में कमिश्नर हैं उनको दिए गए. वही जिला और शहर के डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट के मुखिया हैं, वो परिस्थिति का जायजा लेके सारे नियमों को पालन कराने का काम करेंगे.
The relaxation for each district depends on which level they're at. The district in the first level will get the maximum exemptions, while the districts in the fifth level will get the least. Offices, shops, malls, theatres, hotels, restaurants, gyms, salons, everything will run normally in the districts falling in the first level. There are no restrictions on marriages. In the districts falling in the second level, malls, theatres, restaurants, gyms, salons will run at 50% capacity. In the districts falling in the third level, shops can operate only till 4 o'clock. Restaurants can also remain open till 4 p.m. with 50% capacity. Malls, theatres are to remain closed. In the districts falling in the fourth level, essential shops will remain open till 4 p.m. All other shops will remain closed. Local trains will remain closed for the time being in Mumbai as it's in the third level.
5 स्तरांमध्ये कोविडचा अनलॉक हे होत आहे. त्यामुळे पहिला स्तर असेल, दुसरा, तिसरा, चौथा आणि पाचवा हा प्रत्येक स्तराला एक टक्केवारी दिलेली आहे. त्या टक्के म्हणजे पहिला जर असेल तर तो 5% आणि 25% पेक्षा कमी ऑक्सिजन बेड भरलेले असतील तर तो पहिल्या टप्प्यात जाऊ शकतो. दुसरा टप्पा पॉझिटिव्ह दर 5% आहे आणि ऑक्सिजन 25 ते 40% पर्यंत आहे भरलेले असतील तर तो दुसऱ्या टप्प्यात म्हणजे दुसऱ्या स्तरावर जाऊ शकतो. आणि तिसरा स्तर आहे तो पॉझिटिव्ह 5 ते 10% आहे आणि 40% पेक्षा ऑक्सिजन बेड व्यापलेले आहेत.
Careful monitoring of the cases will continue and authorities will remain vigilant about any spike in cases after easing restrictions. With Sohit Mishra in Mumbai, this is Gargi Rawat for NDTV.